Hi, my name is Dmytro Kucheruk, S4GA, and I will present to you Solar Standard Airfield lighting system. It is designed for all those type of airports that for some reason require simple, compliant, reliable airfield lighting, but cannot rely on conventional systems. For the reason of I have just low traffic, I use lights occasionally during emergencies, or I just don't have reliable electricity. We have for those airports low intensity, ICAO compliant lights that are self-contained, meaning they have solar panels integrated with the body of the light that are powered by two independent batteries that are sustainable. And this sustainability is delivered and it is guaranteed by the fact that the system is designed according to SALA minimum performance standards. And this light includes just two elements. It's very simple. You have a light and you have a controller. Lights you can have in different types. You have runway edge, which is white, omnidirectional light. You have threshold end light, which is red-green, and you have taxiway. The controller allows you to deactivate the lights, change intensity. We on purpose designed this system to be so simple, so it is should be a no-brainer for the airports, especially those, and we know that small airports, they have very little staff, or they have let's say, a person who is responsible for everything. So we want to decrease amount of stress for airport staff, to have this person be able to focus on airport operations instead of trying to maintain a complex lighting system. So if you need something basic yet reliable, yet what is going to deliver to you day after day after day performance and compliant intensity, Solar Standard is a system for you. Solar Standard system is fully compliant with multiple regulations, including ICAO, EASA, FAA. We have special MOS Australia version. We have SP-301 compliance as well. And the most importantly, the system is compliant with SALA minimum performance standards for the solar systems, which means that it is designed to perform in various climatic conditions and be able to generate sufficient amount of energy to sustain its operations day after day after day. S4GA is not only a supplier for your lights. S4GA is your partner that will remain with you as long as it takes to maintain those operations of the lights, which means in case if you have any troubles, you don't know how to solve an issue, we will be there for you. You will get a support after sales 1, 3, 5, 10 years, as long as it takes. And you will be also equipped with manuals for those lights, including both PDF and video. And you have available our after sales technical team that in case if you cannot handle something yourself, you call us, you will get a call back and we will support your system.